गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। आप कमाएंगे, हम कमाएंगे, ओ कमाएंगे, ए कमाएंगे, तो लॉस कौन करेगा? झुनझुनवाला लॉस करेंगे, वॉरेन बफेट लॉस करेंगे, कौन करेगा लॉस? लॉस तो किसी को करना ही है, तो दूसरे वाला कमाएंगे। कोई अगर लॉस नहीं करता, हमारा कमाई नहीं होता है। ये शेयर मार्केट है। आप यू हैव टू कीप इन टू योर माइंड, समबॉडी इज लूजिंग, देन ओनली यू वांट। क्या वीडियो बनाएंगे? वीडियो बना के क्या होगा? हमको कमाई होगा। हमको कमाई होगा तब जब झुनझुनवाला लॉस करेंगे, या सुनील मेघनाली लॉस करेंगे, या आप लॉस करेंगे, तब हमको कमाई होगा। कमाई होता है, हम हंसता है, तो आप लॉस करता है। और आपको प्रॉफिट होता है, झुनझुनवाला, सुनील मेघनाली, वो लोग को प्रॉफिट होता है, तो इसका मतलब हमको लॉस होता है, तो हम हंसेंगे क्यों? Friends, you have to make a loss for gain myself. लॉस कैसे होता है? आप खरीदा 30 रुपया 40 रुपया में, आप बेच दिया 20 रुपये में, तब लॉस होता है। वो जाके हम खरीद लिया और 25-30 हो गया, 50 हो गया, तब हमको प्रॉफिट होता है। और नहीं तो हम थक गया है, 20 में खरीद के 18 हो गया, 17 हो गया, बेच दिया, या 100 में खरीदा है, 90 हो गया, 80 हो गया, थक गया, बेच दिया है, तब आप खरीद लिया, हो गया 150, तब मेरा लॉस होता है, आपका प्रॉफिट होता है। तो ये प्रॉफिट लॉस का चक्कर क्या है? जुआ है, जुआ। बट स्टॉक मार्केट इज सच ए प्लेस, you make jua only when you are confident, otherwise don't play. I exceeded one stock which I gave already the targets, but target is not reached. I have exceeded Modapen Laboratory. Earlier I exceeded at 30, bought at 29 IDFC First Bank. Now it is 23 IDFC First Bank 30. Plus again I bought IDFC first at 27, 26, 28 rupees, now it is 30. By selling at 26, 26 plus 25, 23, whatever, and 22.95 even. Now you have to understand, there is a price difference between two of your portfolio stock, which earlier you were both invested. If you have made a portfolio, then only it is possible, otherwise not. Otherwise, I keep money by selling all my stock, and then I wait where there is a movement, and then only I put all of my money there. I make a jua, putting all eggs into a hatch, into a basket, and I cannot sleep at night. But doing all this become like pure speculations. You have to be very methodical, very methodical, and then you can sleep nicely. I sleep nicely, no problem. Every day, I say, every day my stocks are giving me pleasant sleep. Might be very small one, but you can do only when you are very much aware of those companies where you believe the fundamentals and you put your fund, then only. Till now, John Cookrill Day before yesterday it went to 700 near, again 100 rupees increased. In a day 13% around. Can you believe? When a bank provides you 6% only. Morganite India giving you 40 rupees, 50 rupees, 900, 940, 50, around 44 around, 44 today. Sold out big portions. So, you have to make arrangement and then play. I bought one stock at 31.25 rupees and sold at 30, again bought at 25. 25.60, 25. So, these are the game like. When you apply your 6 cents and then you reduce the purchasing cost, more number of shares bought by you. Don't be engaged throughout the day. Just have a look. Mobile is there. Have a look throughout the day. You do your own profession and jobs. Be confident and then you enter. After purchasing, you should not be afraid of. But before purchasing, you should be afraid of whether there is a possibility of downside. After bottoming out, went up some percentage. And then coming down again, bottomed out. So don't be afraid. So it will go at higher side. I will not speak of any stock specifically today. I am just throwing an idea. It is your side whether you accept my idea or not. Be confident and then you play, but fundamental study is the main thing into a company. Escape is fundamentally strong, but it is running cheaper, 1450, 60 around. Because people are being patientless. Thank you friend, good night. Take your own decisions, study. If you lose, then only I earn. If I lose, then only you earn. That is the formula in the market. Thank you, good night.